Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a very interesting topic. Why do we share information? We are living in the information world. In the 21st century, thanks to the internet, information is easy to share with our friends, neighbors, and perfect strangers, in fact. But our love for sharing is not confined to this millennium. The human species has always loved sharing information. We draw buffalo on the cave walls, we pass on stories and traditions through spoken word, we copy manuscripts meticulously by hand, we invent presses and started newspapers. But why is sharing so important to the human race? Why do people share information? Spoiler alert, it's all about relationships. Before we dive deeper, let's make a pact. If you find this podcast worthy, do share it with at least one friend. As per Interactive Advertising Bureau, 73% of people in a New York Times study on sharing information said that sharing helped them understand information better. 85% said the reading other people's responses to their shared information helps them process the information more thoroughly. In our culture, when any family decisions are taken, they go through a lot of deliberations. In fact, to think of it, which TV to buy, which school to get admission in, and which food to order, all are topic of discussion. Everyone, including teens, are allowed to share their perspectives. Marriages are a perfect example of it. Even though the event planners have made some niche, the social sharing and deliberation on topics still exist, and all parties are included freely to contribute. But why do people share information? Have you ever stopped your car to ask for directions? I know there are maps available, but we know also sometimes that they act up. I remember I was driving back from Kerala, it's a beautiful place in India, with three of my friends, and our map started acting up. We were in a zone where we did not have network and it was getting dark. Our map continued to show us to go in a certain direction, and we followed suit. And then we realized that there is a river in front of us. No matter how much we go back, the map continued us to route to that particular place. Eventually, we found a man, but he could not speak our language. He helped us get another person who helped us got another individual who could understand the language, and eventually they helped us find the way. But why did they share this information? They could have just said, we can't speak your language, and that's it. There is something deeper into it. It is our brain which tells us whether we should share or not. Do you now wonder why this podcast exists? In fact, there are four reasons why we end up sharing information. Sometimes consciously, and sometimes we just do it. The first reason is psychological arousal. According to Jonah Berger, the author of a new study published in a journal of the Association for Psychological Science, the sharing of stories or information may be driven in part by arousal. When people are psychologically aroused, whether due to emotional stimuli or otherwise, the autonomic nervous is activated, which then boosts social transmission. Simply put, evoking certain emotions can help increase the chance a message is shared. The second reason is reputation. Reputation drives human behavior, and it is understood the one with the solution is the leader of the pack. According to a study, 68% of people said that they share to give people a better sense of who they are and what they care about. The third reason is that sharing gives a sense of purpose. Studies show that volunteering exercises like sharing information enhances an individual's overall sense of purpose and identity, particularly if they no longer hold a life defining role like a worker or a parent, but even otherwise as well. It gives them a sense of belonging and purpose. The fourth reason is to grow and nourish relationships. It may come as a surprise, but one of the key motivations for people to share online is tied to building and growing and nourishing their relationships with others. 78% people share information online because it helps them stay connected to people they may otherwise not stay in touch with.